ice cream makers to phase out artificial dyes by 2028. It's the first time a segment of the food sector has come together to remove synthetic colors. Turkey Hill Dairy and dozens of other U.S. ice cream makers are pledging to remove artificial colors from their products by 2028 as more food makers look to comply with a push by the FDA to rely more on natural ingredients. The commitment to this is spearheaded by the International Dairy Foods Association. Companies making more than 90% of the ice cream volume sold in the U.S. are taking part in the pledge, so that's pretty big. U.S. dairy companies have pledged to remove artificial colors in milk, cheese, and yogurt products sold to schools by July. The fact that they're willing to do it shows that maybe we get back to a point where there's a little bit more natural coloring in items. Interesting to see, and it's a big change for the ice cream industry.